30, the day we Indians celebrate as Martyrs' Day, to pay reverent tribute to those brave hearts who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country. It is also on this same day that we solemnly remember and praise the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. It is because on the ill-fated day of 30th January 1948, he was assassinated during his evening prayers by Nathuram Godse.
Let us now take this solemn opportunity to throw light on the significance of this commemorative day. Talking about martyrs, Catherine Lee Bates once wrote, "Martyrs, irrespective of the special phase of the divine idea for which they gladly give up their bodies to torture and to death, are the truest heroes of history." A martyr is one who sacrifices his life for the peace, love, and protection of his country and nation. A martyr is a national hero who gives up his life for his own motherland. He who sacrifices his life but remains alive in the hearts of innumerable countrymen. Therefore, let us salute these valiant soldiers of our armed forces for braving all odds to protect the integrity and sovereignty of our nation. Let us uphold the legacy and fortitude of our freedom fighters and salute their selfless sacrifices.
30th January 2021 marks the 73rd death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji's crucial role in shaping India's freedom movement is unarguably of supreme importance. Gandhiji influenced both nationalist and internationalist movement and brought the cause of India's independence from British colonial rule to world attention. He believed that responding with violence to British atrocities would be counterproductive and thus employed a method of non-violence against the British Raj. His idea of ahimsa gained a lot of appreciation from the citizens as well as other freedom fighters who held him in high esteem. Thousands of people, along with several leaders, supported him and followed his footsteps. He led the non-violent tax revolt in Kheda, the non-cooperation movement in the early 1920s, and the famous Dandi March in 1930. Mahatma Gandhi was one such benevolent freedom fighter who always considered humanity as his religion. His principles of satyagraha helped millions of people across the globe. No wonder he was popularly claimed as the father of the nation by his followers. It was Mahatma Gandhi himself who stated that the most important battle to fight was overcoming one's own demons, those of fears and insecurities. Gandhiji summarized his belief through the words, "God is truth." Therefore, we must remember that the smallest practices of Gandhiji's life can provide a solution to combat the world of troubles that stand today before humanity.
Now, I would like to quote a few lines from Gandhiji's speech. He said, "I believe that in the history of the world, there has not been a more genuinely democratic struggle for freedom than ours. I read Carlyle's French Revolution while I was in prison, and Pandit Jawaharlal has told me something about the Russian Revolution. But it is my conviction that inasmuch as these struggles were fought with the weapon of violence, they failed to realize the democratic ideal. In the democracy which I have envisaged, a democracy established by non-violence, there will be equal freedom for all. Everybody will be his own master. It is to join a struggle for such democracy that I invite you today. Once you realize this, you will forget the differences between the Hindus and Muslims and think of yourselves as Indians only, engaged in the common struggle for independence.
Secure under the vigil of our soldiers, marching with the pride of tricolor, committed to the future of nation, resplendent with youth and vibrance. My freedom is my inheritance. History of invasions and defiance, spirit of persistence and resurgence, nourished with the blood of martyrs, crowned by the Himalayas' magnificence. My freedom is my inheritance. Oceans of knowledge and spirituality, culture of acceptance and inclusivity, replete with the nobility of saints, united at the face of divergence. My freedom is my inheritance.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, ब्रज मन प्यारे सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। तेरो राम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। तन मन कर्म वचन से जान, भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। तन मन कर्म वचन से जान, भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। जीवन मंत्र ये कर लो ध्यान, भज मन प्यारे सीताराम। जीवन मंत्र ये कर लो ध्यान, भज मन प्यारे सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, भज मन प्यारे सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।